Good morning, students. Today I am going to solve some difficult questions from exercise 17A. This is for class 9, subject mathematics. Question number 5 is, in the following figure, AD is a straight line. AD is a straight line. OP is perpendicular to AD. This is perpendicular. And O is the center of both the circles. O is the center of both the circles when circles are concentric. If OA is equal to 34 centimeters, OA it is of 34 centimeters, OB 20 centimeters. OA is equal to 34 centimeters, OB is equal to 20 centimeters, OP is equal to 16 centimeters. Find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. This one. Find the length of AB. For finding the length of AB, first we need to find the length of AP. Now, length of AP and length of BP. Then AP minus BP is equal to AB. So AP is in triangle OPA or OAP. In triangle OAP, OA is 34 centimeter and OB is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter and OB is perpendicular to AD. You know the perpendicular from center to a chord bisects the chord. It means AB is equal to PD and triangle OAB is right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, AP is equal to AP is base, so under root hypotenuse A square minus perpendicular A square. 34 A square minus 16 A square. AP is equal to 34 A square minus 16 A square 256. Then under root 0 0 11 minus 2 9. It is equal to 30. Length of AB is 30. centimeter. Okay. AP is 30 centimeter and in triangle OBB similarly in triangle OBB equal to under root OB square minus OB square. OB is 20, so 20 square minus OB is 16 square. Which implies that BP is equal to under 400 minus 256, then 4, 3 minus 1, it is 12. BP is 12. So therefore AB is equal to AB minus BP. Length of AB 30 centimeter minus length of BP 12 centimeter. Length of AB is 18 centimeter. Length of AB is 18 centimeter. Next question is 6 number. In a circle of radius 17 centimeter, question number 6 is in a circle of radius 17 centimeter and two parallel chords of length 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter are drawn. Find the distance between the chords if both the chords are on the opposite sides of the center and second on the same side of the circle. It is a circle. Suppose that it is a circle. Question number 1, on the opposite side of the center. See, opposite side of the center. O is center, and there are two chords AB and CD. AB and CD. Radius is 17 centimeter. Radius is 17 centimeter. And the length of chords are 30 centimeter and 16 centimeter. 30 centimeter. Suppose AB is equal to 30 centimeter and CD is equal to 16 centimeter. Any one chord you can take 30 and 60. We have to find the distance between chords. See, it is distance between chords. Suppose there is N and there is M. It will be perpendicular. OM and OL will be perpendicular because it is OL and OM are drawn from center to a chord. we have to find Mn. We have to find Mn. Mn is equal to ON plus OM, and ON is in triangle OAN and OM is in triangle OMC. In this triangle, OA is equal to 17 centimeter and length of AB is 30, so A will be 15. Since AB is equal to 16 centimeter, 30 centimeter, therefore A is equal to half of AB, half of 30 is equal to 15 centimeter. It is 15. Then we can find ON. ON is Pythagoras theorem, 17 square minus 15 square under 8 square is equal to 8 centimeter. ON is equal to 8 centimeter. Similarly, we can find OM. Since CD is equal to 16 centimeter, therefore CM is equal to 8 centimeter, and OM using Pythagoras theorem under 17 square minus 8 square, 289 minus 64, it is equal to 15 centimeter. So distance between chords Mn is equal to ON plus OM. See, OM and ON 15 plus 8, 23 centimeter. So distance between chord is 23 centimeter. 15 plus 8, 23 centimeter. Second part is on the same side of the center. If chords are on the same side of the center, upside or down, any one side, see, figure will be changed to number. If chords are on the same side of the center, same side of the center, AB, CD. Here AB is smaller than CD, so AB will be 16. AB will be 16 centimeter. And CD 30 centimeter. Let us draw perpendicular from center. Suppose OA and suppose it is M. It is radius. It is also radius. OA and OD are radii of the same circle. ON or OM is perpendicular to chord AB and CD respectively, and we have to find the distance between chord. It is distance between chord MM. We have to find Mn, distance between chords. So Mn is equal to ON minus OM. Mn is equal to ON minus OM. So first we need to find ON and OM, then we can find MN. Directly we cannot find length of MN. ON is in triangle OAN, length of OA, this radius, and the length of OA is, see, length of OA is 17 centimeter, so it is 17, OA 17 centimeter, in triangle OAN, OA 17 centimeter, and AN, see, AB is equal to 16, so AN will be 8, 8 centimeter. Therefore, OA is equal to, using Pythagoras theorem as you have seen, so OA is equal to 15 centimeter. In triangle OMD, in triangle OMD, OD is 17 centimeter, OD is radius, and OM, length of CD is 30, so length of MD or DM, length of DM is half of CD, 15 centimeter. Therefore, OM is equal to 8 centimeter using Pythagoras theorem, and finally MN is equal to ON minus OM. See, ON is 15 and OM 8, so 15 minus 8, 7 centimeter. Length of MN is 7 centimeter, and it is over. Second question number is 7. Second question number is 7. 7th number question. Two parallel chords are drawn in a circle of diameter 30 and the length of one chord is 24.0 centimeter. The distance between two chords is 21 centimeter. Find the length of the other chord. So let us draw a circle. See how to draw a figure. Suppose that it is a circle, two parallel chords are drawn. Two parallel chords like this, two parallel chords are drawn. 30 and two parallel chords are drawn in a circle of diameter 30 centimeter. Diameter is 30 centimeter. Suppose there is center. It is diameter. Suppose CD, CD, AOC is a diameter. Length of diameter 30 centimeters. So OA will be 15 and OC will be 15. Radius is half of diameter, and length, distance between two chords. Distance between two chords. It is distance between two chords. Suppose there is M and there is N. Mn is equal to 21 centimeter. Mn is equal to 21 centimeter. Diameter AC is equal to 30 centimeter. Find the length of the other chord. Find the length of the other chord. And the length of one chord is given 24 centimeter. Suppose AB is equal to 24 centimeter. We have to find length of other chord. Length of other chord. See. AB is 24, so AM will be 12 centimeter. 12 because OM is perpendicular to AB and it is 15. OM 15 we can find OM. Using Pythagoras theorem we can find OM under root 15 square minus 12 square. 15 square 225, 12 square 144. And it is equal to 5 minus 4 1 and 12 minus 4 8. It is equal to 9. OM is equal to 9. We have to find the length of other chord, means length of CD. OC 15 and OM 9. Mn is 21 centimeters. Mn is 21. OM 9. So OM is equal to, since Mn is equal to 21 centimeter, OM is equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore OM is equal to Mn minus OM. Mn 21 minus 9. 12 centimeter. This is 12 centimeter. OM 12 centimeter and it is 15 centimeter, so it will be 9. So it will be 9. Cn is equal to, see there 15, 9, 12, 15, 12, so it will be 9. Pythagorean triplet, you know, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17. Similarly, 15, 12, 9. 9, 12, 15. These all are Pythagorean triplets. So 15, 9. Length of other chord CD 9 to 18. Length of other chord is 18 centimeter. So now you can finish the exercise 17A. Okay, thank you.